with Trading the Charts and Trading the Charts Pro. So this morning, basically the market started breaking down, and right here in this video, I'm showing you where I took my short position trade this morning. All right. So technically, I want to say on the 60-minute chart, we had a bear flag, and you guys already know, if you have subscribed to the channel and been watching my videos, that I love to short the bear flag, because typically what the bear flag means is that the market has broke down and then it found support and it consolidated for a small period of time, and then we're looking for a continuation of that breakdown once the support of the flag is broken. So right here in this video, you can actually see that right here we had the bear flag, and then we got the nice breakdown, and once the breakdown happened, I put my entry in right in this area, and my target is going to be right down here. But I may not wait for it to get all the way down there, because specifically with this trade, I screen recorded the trade because I was about to run out of the office. So I set the target and set my risk level, get my cup of tea, and then I came back a couple minutes later, and we can see the breakdown is happening really nice. So let's just pay attention here for a second and see how the trade plays out. All right. Nice. We're up 3,000. That's pretty good. And you can see that the second candle after the breakdown started to reverse. The reason I didn't close the trade out at that moment was because I know that support was completely broken, which you can see I mark here support, and then over here the support level, and then right here, if we were gonna get a clear bounce that was gonna reverse this pullback all the way up, then it would have happened or take place right inside this zone. Okay. Another thing is that you can see that all the short-term moving averages start to break down below the longer-term moving averages, and we can see momentum into the negative. So all of those things are clear confirmation that this move is about to continue. Okay. All right, let's continue watching. Man, you can see the reversal here is kind of strong, but typically, my entry was a little bit late. I want to say just a little bit late, but my I'm wrong level is this is the flag, and then this is the breakdown of the flag, right? So as long as this candlestick doesn't come back up above this one right here, I'm okay holding this trade. Okay, because if this green candle comes up and break back above this one, then that would have completely eliminated the bear flag altogether. And at that point, I'm willing to get stopped out of this trade for whatever the risk or whatever the loss is, because I don't want to find out where it's going to go from that level. But based on what I know about patterns, I am very comfortable holding this trade at this level, because on my larger time frame, I can see the clear breakdown, which is very, very strong. And for that reason, I am convinced that this move is going to go lower. Okay. The reason I'm down that much so fast is because you can see I'm currently trading 21 contracts with this trade. That's a lot of contracts. Yeah. I don't normally go that much, but whenever I see the pattern set up like they should, everything looks correct, then at that time I will increase the amount of contract I'm carrying for the specific trade. Okay. So basically what it looks like you want to do here is you want to come down and form another bear flag. And that is extremely nice for me, because I know, hey, when this breaks again, we're looking to come down even lower. So this is why it is extremely, extremely, extremely important to understand price action. That is the only thing that really matters. Indicators are not as important unless you're using them in conjunction with your price analysis. That's the only time indicators will help to steer you right, is if you're using them to confirm what you're actually seeing in the price action. That is the only way they actually make sense. In any other way, they're gonna actually cause you to be late to the trade, because all indicators lags. So that simply means that in order for you to have an indicator showing you a plot on the chart, price has to do what it's going to do before that indicator can become useful. So the most important thing is to learn how to read price actions. All right, so we're getting nice breakdown. So we have two bear flags here. This is one, and then we come down and we form another bear flag, and we're sliding down nicely. Okay, this is looking really good. Really, really good. Man. Okay. Wow. All right, can we get a push down some more? Man. Woo. Wow. All right, so typically guys, right around this time is where I would have brought down my stop loss and start protecting most of this profit. But for this specific trade, I had set it and not forget it, but went to get my cup of tea. And then when I come back, I saw the breakdown came right down here and right around this area. I'm going to start managing this position because I missed the big drop all the way down here to close it out. Man, few minutes can cost you a few $1,000 if you're not in front of the computer to manage the trade. But I do believe it's going to come back down a little bit more and give me an opportunity to take a pretty good chunk of profit out of this trade. Okay. But whenever you're in the trade, all right, I'm bringing up my target. Whenever you're in the trade and you basically have that much profit, it's always good. $7,000? Come on. That's a whole month or two salary. Or, yeah, pretty much. And I missed it by, leaving and going to get my cup of tea. But anyway, I'm about to close this trade out right now because it's finding some support. I'm seeing some buyers coming in at this level. Though I'm anticipating it to go lower, I'm still very, very, very cautious. Okay. That's a lot of profit, guys. All right. So the buyers are very, very, very strong. All right, guys, I'm stopped out for a profit. So this is how you want to be managing your risk. So the more the trade works in your favor is the more you want to bring down your risk to protect the profit as you go. This trade yielded $5,500 in profit. Yes, it went down all the way to 7,000. If I didn't get up from the computer, I'd had a chance to close it out at that huge profit. But I'm still very grateful for what I got. And like I say, the chart was pre-recorded and I'm just adding the audio to that chart right now. So if you like the contents that I'm putting out here on this channel, I'm going to ask you, please like, subscribe, and share the page to someone that you know may be able to use this information to further sharpen up their skills as a trader. If you know someone that needs assistance in getting better trading, you can visit me at www.tradingthechartspro.com. In this program, we will walk with you to becoming a profitable trader. Okay? Real charts, live training, you and the coach. Until then, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.